finishes him up. LMQ win game 1.
Okay, here goes Dive.
Oh, Dive on the tower. Goong, is he going to have enough? The wave catches on towards Sam. The intervention isn't enough to save his life. The rocket jump away, but he will get burned out.
We are a team. Ideally. We win together and we lose together.
Yeah, the Super Minions would end the game as long as they keep Alliance occupied.
I gets bubbled in. Will they be able to get a good fight out of this? Zanya's thrown down in from balls, and it looks like they're actually pushing Alliance away from their base.
Going on towards Reckless and early wild growth, but Xiaowi's out right in the middle of them. There's the shutdown coming in, and instantly 2 men die. 3, 4. Gonna go in for this one. He himself will get next knocked up, but Sneaky coming around the side as well. Down to Gordon will throw down his cataclysm and a convincing win for Cloud9.